Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Empty this out. Hopefully it makes it a little easier. We have some paper wadding there. Pouch, more paper. Another pouch there. Packet. Long wrapped object. More paper. More wrapped objects. Wrapped objects, a manifest. And I believe that is it, except for a little bit more paper wad. Okay, so let's check our manifest here. Let's see, give you a look at their logo. Liberty Tree Collectors, LTC. Okay, so everything's wrapped, so hopefully I can tell right here right away. We'll get these out of the way. Are two of the 8x56R Mannlicher Brass, 20 each. So I'm not sure which one of these might be easier to open. See, there are the literally bottleneck shape of those. So 2 packs of 8x56R Mannlicher Brass. We will continue with this pouch. You can tell what it is already. This is an two, let's see if I can get them out, 2 of the Enfield, 303 ammunition bandoliers. So you can see there are some ink markings there, very cool. Maybe this one, the 303 markings, Mark 7. You can see the one-piece strap there. Similarly on this one, one-piece strap. And then the 303 markings. So 2 of the Enfield 303 bandoliers. You can see also the copper fastenings. Very interesting. Alright. Next up, which one? We're going to need a knife to possibly open a knife here. So let's mix it up a little bit with one of these. Good enough. Okay. Alright, I think I can tell what it is already. This, very carefully take it out, is a German KM 2000 combat knife reproduction. So you see Miltech 440. Assuming for the steel. You see the black finish, serrated edge, plastic handle, and the tang through there, hole for a lanyard, screw to hold it all together. So here's the scabbard. Looks like it can be removed this way. Looks like possibly a sharpening stone right there. And this long lanyard at the bottom of the scabbard. So let's see if I put it in this way. Snaps, molly loops on the back. A single snap at the bottom. So, reproduction of a German KM 2000 combat knife. Leave that out for now. Let's try this one next. How well wrapped everything is. This is listed as a Maserin West German combat knife. On the website they also said it's possibly a reproduction. And you'll see got these leather fittings on the scabbard holder. Hard to tell what material it's kind of cold, temperature-wise. I'm not sure if it's, I don't think it's steel, because I think it's picking up the blade. Whoops. Negative, not magnetic. Okay. So this has Miltex, so assuming this is a reproduction, you can also see there. Some more markings, just for your reference. So, possibly reproduction of the Maserin West German knife. So, we have here, let's see, get this one open. In the paper is a plastic bag wrapping this. Okay, put this off to the side here. What we got here is a FN model 1924/30 export bayonet short, 98 length. So you can see it does have some age to it, quite a bit. Pull it out, blade's in good condition, a little bit of cosmoline. Can't discern any markings, we'll have to see upon cleanup. You see that segment's a little loose, might need some tightening there. And that's where our attachment point is. Let me see if I can feel. It does appear to have the spring inside, so very cool. Leave that one out too. That was the FN model 1924/30 export bayonet short, 98 length. And last but not least, so Gurkha Kukri knife. I believe this is made in India, so we do have a desiccant pack. So from probably the original point of origin, maybe. I might have shrink wrapped the bag a little bit. Nope. Blade is separately wrapped from the scabbard. Interesting. I think I'm going to keep it in this anyways. Taking out its boot. So let's go back and put this in there, like so. Let us examine. Oh my, this is large. Oh, wow. So let me get a length of this from the tip. It is approximately, tip of the blade itself is approximately 13 inches with the handle, about 19 and a quarter total in length from here to here straight along this dimension. So you can see the classic Nepalese Kukri design. This is your blade side with a solid back here, and large wooden handle. For me, I would call it a 1.5 because my pinky is not fitting on here. I almost wish there was a little bit of a hilt here, and then that little bit of a notch area right here is your guard, kind of, or you can use this for cutting wires and whatever, possibly. Yeah, so work our way backwards. I don't see any point of origin mark on this either. Brass pommel, brass fittings with, no, that is wood material. So they wrapped these around and then riveted them on, or nailed them on. So what we got there is a Gurkha Kukri knife. We also had the FN model 1924/30 export bayonet short, 98 length. The Maserin West German combat knife, reproduction I'm assuming, possibly not. Yeah, because it's Miltech. And the German KM2000 combat knife reproduction, also Miltech. 2 of the Enfield 303 ammunition bandoliers. And then we started off with 2 packs of the 8x56R Mannlicher Brass, 20 each. So close that out right there. These all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Liberty Tree Collectors, a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.